Good morning, ma'am. Today, my topic name is waveguide phase shifters. My name is N. Balaji from EC department. Subject name is microwave engineering. Coming to introduction, RF waveguide phase shifters are two-port waveguide modules that alter the phase of an output signal in response to an external signal. RF waveguide phase shifters use flanges to connect waveguide sections or terminate waveguide components. Most flanges are square, circular, rectangular in shape and plated with cadmium, nickel, rubidium, and silver or tin. Union Guide is a military standard for a range flag types. There are two basic types of RF waveguides phase shifters. Analog phase shifters use analog signals, usually voltage signals uh, output phase. By contrast, digital phase shifters use a digital signals that consist of two discrete stages. Performance specifications. Its specifications for RF waveguide shifters includes operating frequency range, a waveguide size, length or height, insertion loss, average power, and voltage standing wave ratio. Operating frequency range is the range of RF waveguide phase shifters meet all guaranteed specifications. Related product or services. Horn antennas. Horn antennas are used for the transmission and reception of microwave signals. They are usually fed by waveguides. RF waveguide assembles. RF waveguides assemblies include such waveguides components as bends, twists, straight sections, short sections, offset sections, and others. Waveguide components. RF waveguide components are circular, elliptical, rectangular metal tubes or pipes through which electromagnetic waves are propagated in microwave and RF communications. The wave passing through the medium is forced to follow the path determined by the physical structure of the guide. RF waveguide couplers. RF waveguide couplers are RF circuits used to sample RF frequency transmission by coupling signals asymmetrically. What is phase shifters? Microwave phase shifters are important elements for use in oscillators and phased array antennas systems. Traditional Faraday phase shifters are based on the Faraday rotation for electromagnetic waves in axially magnetized ferrite rods waveguides. The device required an electromagnet or solenoid magnet fields for phase turning and involving large power dissipation. Phase shift could also be realized through magnostic wave propagation or FMR in planar ferrites in microstripline structure. The MSW wavelength and group velocity are 2 to 3 order in magnitude smaller than that for electromagnetic waves for the same frequency. This makes possible a phase shift of decades of pi or propagation distance of several millimeters. Phase shifters, on the other hand, can be tuned with the electric field, but such phase shifters are very lossy at frequencies about 1 to 5 gigahertz. The design for the ME microwave phase shifters is shown in figure. It consists of the 1 millimeter wide microstrip on a 1 millimeter thick aluminum oxide ground plane, a resonator, and the microstrip loop of a length of lambda 8 by 8 and 3 lambda by 8 that produces a circularly polarized microwave magnetic field in resonator. This is the input and output from the waveguide shifter. The device characteristics are studied with the vector network analyzer. The operating frequency was chosen by applying appropriate bias magnetic field H parallel to the same plane. The electromagnetic was used for magnetic field generation for a given frequency. Representative data on the electric field tunable phase shifters are shown in the bias field H equal to 2700 corresponds to the region in which the variation of mu versus H is nonlinear. This is a VA characteristic phase shifters. Simple phase shifters with the hexaferrite and ferroelectric elements in waveguide could be realized Baylors of course. Other devices on strain methane tuning include an attenuator and electrofield tunable attenuator operating frequency at 7.2 GHz was reportedly the device is based on FMR in WAIG. Thank you.